It's beautiful, beautiful, Dada. You're just showing the those side of a thing in a business that that is boring and like uh, unattractive. So yeah, people are going to get connected. I did surely, no doubt.
Awesome. And thank you so much, Krishna. So here are two amazing tools that will help you to streamline your life. So one of the tools that I'm using is called Trello. And Trello is a systemic software, which is again free. It looks like this. Okay. It typically looks like this. And okay, I can do many things with this. Okay, it has got everything. You can see my Aadhaar card, PAN card, every goddamn thing. I keep it here. And so there are areas where you can design certain things. Okay, let me just open up this one. Okay, so let's say I'm keeping it as a productivity workflow. So everything, I write every goddamn thing here. So it is always on my phone. It is there on my screen. I can use it on Mac, Android, Macintosh. What is that? Symbian, any kind of platform, Windows. I can use all these pointers. So for example, if I have to repair my scooter also, I write it here. What has happened? Because when I give my scooter for repair, I do not know what to talk. I forget sometimes. So I write, okay, mileage is not working, indicator is not working, the brake is loose, the bolt is missing on the right hand side, some sound is coming when it is in low speed. I write every goddamn thing because I don't want to break my head. Okay, I don't want to remember anything, right? And I have a list of things that I do. So Trello is something that I can dump every goddamn thing. So if you see my operations team are managed here, my productivity teams workflows are managed here, my entire chat GPT prompts are here, my coaches are managed here, everything backend I manage from here. Again, this is the next one that I'm going to show to you. It's called as Trello. How much does this cost, Dada? This is free. Okay, this is also free. Now, coming to the next one, which I call it as the LinkedIn. I did something crazy. Okay, so how do I make people know? Okay, this is very powerful thing. You need to shout out loud so that people understand that you are creating something great. Okay, you need to do something. So I did this. Okay, I wanted people to get to my LinkedIn. I mean, I wanted to get people to my YouTube channel, and I was taking the help from two things. I was taking the help from my newsletters and my LinkedIn and my WhatsApp group. So these are the feeders. I call it as feeders. Okay, feeders were my newsletters. I think we have got some 10,000 plus people out there. Okay, I have not yet used the full speed. I have just used only 2,000 people, out of which I got some open since it was Diwali yesterday. So okay, done. Um, Okay, so many people might be thinking, what is Diwali connected with? Diwali and my date of birth and start of all these things is on same day, that is yesterday, and it is not even 24 hours. We started yesterday night, and it is hardly like 10, 15 hours right now. So newsletters are one of the feeders. That means where I can use this. WhatsApp was the next one, and the last one was my LinkedIn. Uh, LinkedIn. I think we have a load of people here. So again, I needed a text. I needed something to do with this. So I crafted some raters and I used Trello. Okay, where it is gone. You have to remember, by the way, what you are writing, where you are writing. So I'm just writing it here. Okay, so, oops, sorry. Okay, I'll just show you the other side. 1 second. Yeah. Oops. All right. Uh, all right. So this is a thing that I did first is I created people on WhatsApp and I wrote a small message. Hey, there is something on my LinkedIn. I put everyone on a LinkedIn because LinkedIn has something crazy. So I wanted to do multiple things together. So I wanted to have people coming into LinkedIn, and in the LinkedIn, I thought of sharing my new YouTube link. And I know people will never do this unless and until I bribe them. So I had to create something as a bribe. So first, I will show you what was the bribe. Okay. So I think I'm here. Okay. So let me tell you what is called as a bribe. So first is the feeders. So these are my feeders. Then I have a bribe. Okay, which I call it as lead magnet. Okay. So let me just put it a separate color into this. So I created a bribe. Where is the bribe one? Okay. So bribe was this. Okay. That if you are clicking my YouTube and sharing NOV, that is November, I'm going to give them this. Okay. Complete steps to create more than 100 types of lead magnet. Now understand, just for the sake of making people click there, I have to give this gift. And how do I create this? Again, I used Google Doc and I created this entire thing. It took almost 1 day for me, right? Now, this 1 day entire thing gone, and I was still, my money is zero. So what I'm also going to tell you is, for my first day, my earning, okay, earnings, what are my earnings? So let's divide the earnings. Later on, I think I can create this part. Let me just delete it here. Okay. And let me write it here. My earnings. So what did I earn? I earned 11 subscribers, right? And look at this. So I said, I'm going to give you this, and this is the proof. Okay, by the way, you look like a video, but this is not a video. This is a GIF. Many people doesn't know that you can convert a video to a GIF. So how do I do this? Again, this is something many people will not tell you. Okay, I use two softwares. One is called Loom, where I use this. Again, this is free. Okay, and for GIF, I used another software. Just a second. Okay, this is called as, okay, so I have an emoji. Emoji is this one. Okay, it's called Emoji DB. I can create any kind of emoji, even those images which are not there. I can create all these things. Like I needed this Dia image. Okay, DIA, and I got the Dia. I can get diamond. I can get calendar like that. So this is a very powerful software. It's called as Emoji DB. I'm just writing it here. Okay, this is also free. Okay, and I also needed something to convert a small video. So I took the video in Loom, like screenshot, and I wanted to make it as a GIF. So I used another software called as, where is it? GIF. It's called EZ-GIF. So it's like this. Okay, so you can create all these things. Okay, you can create a small GIF, resize it, optimize it, and all those things. You can create different effects. It is a crazy software. And guess what? This is also free. Okay, this is also free. And yeah, I'll just write it here. This is free. Look, it is only not even 15 hours. You see how many softwares are involved? Okay, so once I've created this, now I have got a crazy thing. And I got within like 10 hours, I got around 150, 46 impressions. This is less, but still I'm okay with this. But I got 22 comments. Okay, and all these people who commented. So I'll take Krishna for example. Okay, I don't know if he has commented or not. I told them, you commented here inside the DM, I'm going to do this. So those people who are not connected through the DM, they are going to connect. There is a deep amount of psychology used in this. Okay. So this person, I don't know who was this person. Okay. So this is also one of my mentees. His name is Arindam Mukherjee. And you see, he was not connected with this. So I said, okay, oops, looks like we are not connected. I'm waiting to send you the DM in person. And then later on, he has done it. Okay. And then we have got other people who are there. Let's say this gentleman. So he's also one of my mentees. So I've given them all these things. So I have a structure here. These are all planned. So these reviews are planned. Okay. So I gave him all the things. Okay, there is a YouTube link. You know, to go there. This is step 1. This is step 2. This you have to do that. And these all people went to the YouTube channel, and we have got around, I think, some 20 plus comments there. Anyways, so that is the first part. So, but look at the back end. What all things I have to do? I have to create a WhatsApp message. I have to create a link. I have to create a subscription link. Then I have to create a LinkedIn link. I have to create a LinkedIn reply. Man, it looks simple, but if you look through my eyes, one day is not enough to do all those things. So there is a lot of work involved into this. But this is a crazy way. Why? Because I'm generating these eyeballs completely organically. Okay, I know how to make it, inorganically. So I can create an advertisement and I can do all these things. But again, this is just a temporary thing. Why? Because this is where I'm documenting this entire thing. And if people are getting value out of this, I think crazy. All right. So with that, let's pause this recording here. I hope this session was good because I gave you all the things. And if you need anything, you can type in the comment section about Dada, I need to know this software or that thing or anything, whatever is there. This is a session where you can ask. I have not yet planned, but in the next video, I will tell you about how I'm planning things on a weekly basis, daily basis, monthly basis, because I have no time left. So spending time with you explaining this is a big time investment for me because I could have done something else. So in the next session, I would like to tell you about what all things I require. Okay, till that time, enjoy. Next video.